First, we are testing an expanded polystyrene corner protector, throwing a 13-kilogram board from a height of 10 centimeters. The result? Both packaging and product are broken, and around 39 Gs are recorded on the accelerometer. We now throw the 13-kilogram board from a 10-centimeter height, protecting it with a blue foam profile corner protector. The result? Both packaging and product are broken, and around 44 Gs are recorded on the accelerometer. Now we are doing the drop test, throwing the same 13-kilogram board from a height of 10 centimeters, but this time using a reinforced plastic corner protector. The result? Both packaging and product are broken, and around 49 Gs are recorded on the accelerometer. Lastly, with the same board thrown from the same distance, we are going to test the solution designed by our team, the SCUDO corner protector, made completely of cardboard. The result? Both packaging and product are in perfect condition, and around 11 Gs are recorded on the accelerometer. Compared to all the other packaging systems, SCUDO is far superior in terms of protection. But what is the difference between a reinforced cardboard corner protector and SCUDO? Let's take a look at it. We test a reinforced cardboard corner protector by throwing a 12-kilogram wood board from a height of 20 centimeters. The result? The product is damaged, and around 34 Gs are recorded in the accelerometer. On the other hand, if we do the exact same test with a SCUDO solution made with our technology by adding layers of cardboard, we see how its great impact absorption capacity protects the product better. The result? The product is in perfect condition, and only 18 Gs are recorded on the accelerometer. The difference between SCUDO and the conventional cardboard corner protector is that our solution is more efficient and will allow you to reduce your incidence rate. SCUDO is also our most sustainable protection solution, as it is made 100% of recycled and recyclable cardboard, which helps minimize your carbon footprint. Do you want your deliveries to arrive in the best conditions? Request us a consultancy. We will find a packaging solution that fits your product best. At Brafim, we can manufacture large format corners and side protectors in the sizes required for each situation, without the need for costly molds.